Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! Welcome back to your... What's that? It's a golden gear. You should collect as many of them as you can. Use these blocks to build a path to the golden gear. Try again. Place the block in the highlighted space. Good work! You found a golden gear! Do you see the surprise bag up there at the top of the screen? If you collect all the golden gears, you'll be able to open it. Oh, another golden gear has appeared. Don't forget to send an engine to pick it up. Use these blocks to build a path to the golden gear. Wonderful! One last gear will get you a surprise. With each golden gear, you get closer to a surprise. And who doesn't love surprises? The best tracks are the ones that run in a loop. Good work! Tap on the surprise bag to open it. You earned a new mini, Spooky Thomas. You can use your finger to rotate the object. Spooky Thomas. A railway needs more than tracks. Let's add some attractions. Tap on the yellow shelf to see them. Here you will find bridges, tunnels, obstacles and lots of other fun things. These pieces can only be placed on straight tracks. That looks great! Ooh, that's a lot of paint. Don't worry, it'll wash off soon. Splendid! You're a most, like Thomas would say, bust my buffers. That is splendid work. Here in the orange shelf, you'll find lots of super decorations for your train set. Wonderful! That looks great! Good work! You're a natural builder! Did you know you can add water or snow or other terrains to your track? Tap on the red shelf to see the different terrains you can use. Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. Splendid! That looks great! Your train set is now useful, fun and pretty. Let's see if it's as exciting to ride as it is to look at. Riding around with the engines is the most exciting part. Tap on the round button with Thomas's face on it to climb aboard. All aboard! Once you've done enough driving, you can tap on the back button in the top corner of the screen. Once you've done enough driving, you can tap on the back button in the top corner of the screen.